Ready for a little math fluency? Here we go. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 2 minus 0 equals 2. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 4 minus 4 equals 0. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 5 minus 3 equals 2. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 3 minus 3 equals 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 4 minus 0 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 2 minus 2 equals 0. All right, friends, I have my 10 frames back. Now, today we're going to see how many more dots would we need to make 10. How many? 2. Good job. I have 2 empty spots. I would need 2 more to make 10. 8 plus 2 more. How many more would I need to make 10? 5. Good job. 5 plus 5 would be 10. How many more would I need to make 10? Good job. 4. 6 plus 4 equals 10. How many more would I need to make 10? Are you counting those spaces? If you are, great job. 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. How many more would I need to make 10? 0. Good job. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Now, yesterday, we painted our nails and we came up with different ways to make 10. Now today, you're going to need your hands and somebody else's hands. So I did my hands up here, and then I did my daughter's down here. So I started and I painted all of my nails. So if I painted all of them, how many did I paint? Good job, 10. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill in my 10 frame with the nails I painted on me. So I have a whole 10 frame full. So I have 10. Now, my daughter wanted to paint her nails, but she doesn't want them all painted. She only wants some of them painted. This is how many I painted of my daughters. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's put that in a 10 frame. So now I have 2 10 frames full. So in my first 10 frame, I have 10. That's my one part. In the bottom one, I have 4. Now I need to figure out what my top one is. Part plus part equals my whole. So let's go and count how many fingernails are painted all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. Good job. Our number is 14. One group of 10 is the 1, and then 4 extras is my 4. 14. Now what I'd like you to do is I would like you to do this at your house, and I'd like you to do it a couple times. See what big numbers that you can make. How many teen numbers can you make if you painted all of your hands and then some of somebody else's in your house? Go ahead and do this, and then I'd like you to send it to your teacher. Now, the last thing we have to do today is a story problem. Now, I made a gingerbread cookie today. I only had 12 sprinkles. I want to make eyes and I want to make buttons. So, I only have 12. So let's go ahead and put 12 in my 10 frame so I know. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 sprinkles. Now I know I need eyes. So how many eyes would I need? Of course, 2. And I see a group of 2 right there. So I'm going to use that. How many sprinkles do I have left to make buttons? Can you figure it out? Great job. If you saw this whole 10 frame that was left, and you knew if a 10 frame is full, there is 10. I have enough sprinkles to make 10 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I used all 12 of my sprinkles. I have a group of 10 and a group of 12, or a group of 2. So my number is 12. And to write that, one group of 10, and how many extra? To the number 12. Nice job, friends. Enjoy your lesson with Mrs. Knight.
It's Mrs. Knight back for a little bit of math. Remember, we're trying to know these numbers in a snap. So let's take a look at this. What number would this be? Ready? Say it before I do. 19. Good job. Notice I underlined that. So look at that. That helps you. 19. Good. Let's try the next one. 16. Great. Say it before I do. 18. Great. Did you beat me? 17 and 20. I want you to keep practicing those. Nice. All right, yesterday we were talking about how we have...
Kayla, we'll just cut that.
Oh, okay, come on.
Oh.
Yesterday I left this from what we were working on. It says, let's take a little review. I have 10 ones and 5 ones. Exactly what's there. Now today what I'm going to do is, in one other lesson, I believe you've seen these. This is called the double 10 frame. This is where the 10 frame is right next to each other, and I have 2 of them. It's called double, meaning 2, like a double scoop of ice cream. So I have exactly 2 10 frames. They look just alike. So I'm going to spread them out. There's my 10. I have 10. Great. And now I'm going to put these. Remember, we fill in that top or one side of it first. And there we go, 15. Today what we're going to do is we're going to look at this sentence. It says, I can make, how many do I have there? Well, I had 10 and 5, and that would be this word, 15. So we have a little bit of reading that we'll be doing. I can make 15. So where is 15 on our number line? Let's take a look. You hear fifth, you kind of hear the word 5 right there, 15. Great. So let's try another one. I can make, and you don't have to do this. You can just watch me do it. You can practice some later at home. I can make 12. This TW is a blend, and it's tw. Which word up here, or which number do you think would be 12? 10, 11, 12. If you need to count, just start at 10 and go 10, 11, 12. So what does a 12 look like? It has 10, 11, 12. So I would not need these. So I would say I have 10 ones and 2 ones. I have 12. Great. All right, let's try this next one. I'll leave the 10 because all of these numbers here in the teens, they always have one group of 10. So let's try this one. I can make, now let's try to see if we can figure out this word. Something with a s sound. Which one of those numbers? 17. 17. You can hear the number 7. Where on my number line is 17? If I'm not sure, go ahead and count. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. But I'm hoping you know in a snap, 17 is right there. 17. One group of 10, and then I would have to put how many over here in this 10 frame. You can hear it, 17. I have 7 ones. That will make 17. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So that's what it would look like on a double 10 frame. The next one we're going to do is where you are going to get a sheet of paper and we are going to draw what it would look like. So you go ahead and get your whiteboard and your paper. Pause me if you have to, and I'm going to get my paper set up, and we are going to make our next number together. All right, let me move these. All right, let's see if we can figure out what this number is in word form. So this is the number written out as a word. So let's see what we have here. I can make TH actually is a digraph, meaning it's makes a brand new sound. The T and the H go th, like my thumb. Th, 13. 13. The number 13. Where would that be on the number line? I'm hoping that you know it in a snap. It's the 1 and the 3. So let's see how we would make that. So you get ready to make it. We're going to make it like a double 10 frame. So I'm going to make dots. On this side, I'm going to make my double 10 frame, and I'm going to go across with my dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You go ahead. This is going to be my first 10 frame. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because the number I'm making is 13. I know there's one group of 10 in it. 10 ones. Now I need to make 13. So I go 10, count on. 11, 12, 13. So there, we've finished one. Okay, we'll do one more. This time I'm just going to move these. I'm going to write the number down on my next sheet of paper, so you can either erase on your whiteboard or flip your paper over. Here we go. The number that we are going to make now is going to be the number 1 and an 8. Look at that 8. Say to yourself, can you name that number? Go ahead in a snap. 18. Comes right after 17, but before 19. So let's get ready. Let's make 18 with our double 10 frame. We know that it has a group of 10. All of these numbers has a group of 10 in them. Ready? Let's make it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe you didn't even have to count. Maybe you knew 5 plus 5 is 10. There's 10. Count on. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There's my 5 on top. I'm at 15 on my number line right there. 15. I need to get to 18. 16, 17, 18. The last thing we're going to do before we end is I'm going to say, oh, as a number, there's 10 in this group, and there's 8 in this group. Some of you might be saying, ooh, I think I know a little addition, meaning adding. 10 plus 8 does equal my 18. So that's all you have to do, boys and girls. There's no extension today. Just practice writing, maybe writing your numbers, making a few of these, and practice knowing your numbers in a snap. See you next time. Bye-bye.